Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to disable activation lock on iPhone. So guys, of course, if you have your phone activation lock on, it means that you just have to simply sign in into your account using your iCloud or email into your phone and provide your iPhone passcode. And if you still haven't succeed, another solution is going to a desktop and go into iCloud.com, and from here just simply select sign in, and now here you could just simply sign in into your Apple account over here. Or if you forgot your account, you could just simply, of course, forgot the password over here and provide all of the necessary details. Now, once you are signed in, you could just simply go ahead and go to your Find My over here. Just simply select this one. Now, from here, as you can see, you should be able to find your iPhone. And now, the only solution that you have right now to remove the activation lock, you have to select erase over here, and from here this will erase everything including the activation lock. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next
And there
video.
go.